MojoLock is smart access for landlords, single-family property managers, multifamily property managers, and vacation rentals. No programming needed on the lock after installation. No need for any additional equipment like a smart home hub or a network connection like cellular or Wi-Fi. Download the MojoLock app from the Apple Store or Google Store to add and operate the lock via Bluetooth. Offline access codes can be created remotely and shared from the MojoLock app to your contacts on other apps, such as text message, email, WhatsApp, and Skype. Access via a MojoLock is extremely versatile, with access code restrictions such as one-time use, by hour, by day, and for up to 28 months. A clear code can be used to unlock once and remove all the used and live access codes. It is easy to install the MojoLock, but there are some important tips that need special attention. Number 1. Different settings for left-handed or right-handed doors. Manually set the tailpiece, the deadbolt, the rear knob, the L and R switch, which is on the circuit board of the interior assembly to specific position per the guidance in the user manual. Number 2. Testing the deadbolt after installation. The deadbolt should extend and retract smoothly when you turn the rear knob or press the lock button on the keypad. If not, the positioning of the tailpiece, the deadbolt, the rear knob, the L and R switch may be wrong. Check, correct it, and retest. We sincerely hope that you enjoy these easy-to-use MojoLock. Welcome to the keyless future.